Hello and welcome to this Waterwise Verge workshop. I'm Chris Lampard, the presenter. I'm a native gardener living here in Mandurah and I have a business called Mandurah Native Gardens. I'd like to thank the City of Mandurah and the Water Corporation of Western Australia for funding these workshops. So the workshop series is going to be recorded in 5 separate videos. The first one is going to be all about preparing your garden for a waterwise verge, mostly about removing lawns. The second one is going to be about sorting out your reticulation if you decide to have reticulation, and in particular how to convert your current spray system, which you probably have, to a drip line. The third one is all about putting a plant in the ground. I'm going to show you how to get a plant into the ground in a way which is going to give it the best chance of growing to a good, strong plant. The fourth one will be all about planning your garden, about how you're going to lay things out and how to choose some plants. And lastly, the fifth one is going to be about the ongoing maintenance and care for your garden. So this workshop series, they're going to be separate videos. You can watch them in any order you want. The natural order is the one I've just presented because that's the way you're probably going to be doing things. But of course, you're free to drop in and out of the content as you want to. Okay, let's go.